Hello my lovely kids, this is your mentor Neetu. We are doing Olympiad Maths Class 8 by Galaxy Publication. So let's start chapter 5, Algebraic Expressions. You have been introduced to algebraic expression in your previous class. We have learnt about constant, variable, etc. But before proceeding further, let us revise what we have learnt in our previous classes. The first one is constant. A symbol which has a fixed value is called a constant. For example, 3, 5, 17, any number, etc. These are constants. Now variable. A symbol which does not have any fixed value but may be assigned value according as per need is called a variable or literal. For example, any letter like X, Y, Z, A, B, C, P, Q, etc. Now algebraic expressions, a single term or a combination of two or more terms connected by plus or minus sign form an algebraic expression. For example, 5 minus y, 3x square minus 5x, then 6xy plus z. So these all are expression. जब हम terms को combine कर देते हैं या कोई एक single term, वो क्या बन जाती है? Expression, right? Now terms of an algebraic expression, a term is a number, constant, a variable or a combination, means product or quotient of numbers and variables. For example, 3x square minus 7x, these are terms of the expression 3x square minus 7x plus 5. Now like terms, terms whose literal factor, means whose variable is same, those are called like terms. For example, minus 3p square and 7p square, these are like. 8p square q square minus 11p square q square, these are like. Now the next is unlike. Terms whose literal factor is not same are called unlike terms. For example, 8xy or minus 4ab square and 9xy square, these are unlike terms. Now the next is polynomial, an expression, an algebraic expression in which powers of the variable x are non-negative integers is called a polynomial. For example, 9x4 minus root 3x square plus 8x plus 4 and 3x cube plus 4x minus 7, these all are polynomials because यहाँ पर power जो x की है, यहाँ पर 4 है, 2 है, 1 और here 3, 1. Okay, so it is non-negative integer. So but 8x cube minus 4 root x plus 7x square, यहाँ पे root x means x की power 1 by 2. So this is not a polynomial. ऐसे 9x cube minus 8 upon x cube plus 7x, this is not a polynomial because in these two expression exponent of one variable is a non-negative integer, or you may say it is not a whole number. So degree of a polynomial, highest power of the variable in a polynomial is called the degree. For example, degree of the polynomial in one variable, अगर हम इस expression की बात करें तो इसमें highest power क्या है? 2. So its degree is 2. And here in this expression, here highest power is here 3, 2 and 1. So degree is 3. Okay. Now we are talking about types of polynomial. Monomial, an algebraic expression which contains one term is called a monomial. For example, 7x square minus 8x cube minus 3x 7, these all are monomial, only one term. Binomial means an expression which contains only two different terms is called a binomial, like 8x cube minus 7x, 9x7 minus 6x5, these are binomial. The next is trinomial, an expression which contains three unlike terms is called a trinomial, like 8x cube minus 7x square plus 5, 9x square minus 6x minus 8, these all are trinomials. The next is polynomial, an algebraic expression which contains more than one term is called a polynomial or multinomial. Thus every binomial, trinomial, that is a multinomial. Now constant polynomial, a polynomial with no literal factor is called a constant polynomial. For example, 10, 8 minus 4. Now degree of a constant polynomial is 0, but 0 is an exception. Degree of 0 is not defined, like 0 equals to 0, x is to power 0, etc. You know, if 20 we take 20 into 1 means 20, x is to power 0. So here degree is 0. Okay. Now the next is standard form. If the terms of a polynomial are either arranged in ascending or descending order of their powers, then the polynomial is said to be in the standard form. Like here, minus 12x cube plus 9x square plus 7x minus 30, or 5 minus 28x plus 17x square plus 8x cube minus 30x4. These all are the examples of polynomial in their standard form. Now operation with polynomials, addition and subtraction of polynomials. So now first we can add or subtract only like terms, as 6 guavas and 6 oranges together will not make 12 oranges or 12 guavas. They remain 6 guavas and 6 orange. So since they are not like fruits, same way algebraic expression with like literal factors can only be added. If guavas are represented by variable x and orange are represented by variable x and orange by y, then 6 guavas and 6 orange on addition be represented as 6x plus 6y. ऐसे हम एग्जाम्पल लेते हैं, like 12p plus 6p. These are same variables, so 12 plus 6, 18p. Now here minus 8a square b plus 7a square b, same variables, so minus 8 plus 7 minus 1a square b. Now C part, 12x square y square minus 8x square y square, same variables, so 12 minus 8, 4x square y square. Now D part, 12x minus bracket minus 4x, so 12x plus 4x, that is 16x. Now E part, minus 12ab square minus 5ab square minus 12 minus 5 minus 17ab square. Now F part, 15xyz minus 6xyz, that is 9xyz. So the addition and subtraction of algebraic expressions can be carried out in two ways, by writing them in first horizontal form and the second is column form. So for example, 3x minus 5 plus 6x square plus x cube minus x4, and the second one is 6 minus 5x plus 2x cube plus 3x square plus 3x4. तो अब हम इन दोनों को ऐड कर रहे हैं. The first way is horizontal method, so write in one line. So first expression plus second expression. Now collect the like terms, like 3x है, 3x minus 5x, then plus 6x square plus 3x square, then plus x cube plus 2x cube, then minus x4 plus 3x4, then constant minus 5 plus 6. Now combine. So 3x minus 5x minus 2x, 6x square plus 3x square, that is 9x square, 1x cube plus 2x cube, that is 3x cube, then minus 1 plus 3 plus 2x4 and minus 5 plus 6, that is plus 1. So now we can write in standard form. Okay, so I hope this is clear to you. Now the next we are doing column method. The first one, we arrange the like terms in separate columns in the standard form. The second, we add each column taking the signs of the terms into consideration, and the third one, we add up the coefficients of the terms in each column and write the sum as a term of the answer. Now writing the terms in columns, अब हम column wise इसको लिख देते हैं. Now first is minus 1 x4 plus 3x4. So what to do? Plus 2x4 plus 1 plus 2 plus 3x cube, then plus 6 plus 3 plus 9x square plus 3 minus 5 minus 2x minus 5 plus 6 plus 1. Same while subtracting in columns, the first we write the minuend above and the second we write the subtrahend below the like terms of the minuend. Then the third, we change the sign of each terms of the subtrahend, and then the fourth, add up the like terms column wise to get the remainder using change sign of the subtrahend and not the original one. See here example 1, subtract 4x square y minus 3xy plus 5xy square minus 8x plus 7y minus 10 from this expression. तो इसको हम पहले लिखेंगे माइनस दिस वन. सो राइट इन द ब्रैकेट. You know, अगर negative sign before any bracket, then we have to change the sign. So if bracket is preceded by a negative sign, then while removing bracket we change the sign of each term. तो हम क्या करेंगे, जितनी भी terms थी bracket में उनका sign change कर देंगे. Now collect the like terms. First 18, then plus 10 constant, then here plus 8x minus 3x, then minus 11y plus 7y. So like this, collect all, then you will get this answer. Now exercise 1, based on such type of example, seek first one, identify which of the following expressions are polynomials. If the expression is not a polynomial, then explain why. See A part. So here see the powers, here 1 2 3, so this is the polynomial. Here see B part, power 3 2 1 0, this is also a polynomial. Here C part, power 4 3, and here 1 by 2, so this is not a polynomial. So C part, here power 4, here 3, here 1 by 2, so this is not a polynomial. Okay, the second one, write the degree of each of the following polynomial. The highest power, like D part, 5q square plus 2q minus 3, so degree is, here degree is 2. Okay, now the third one, arrange each of the polynomials in ascending order of the powers of the variables. So you can do it. Now the fourth one, add the polynomials. अब हमें addition करना है, like D part, 5a minus 8b plus 2c. So write it, 5a minus 8b plus 2c plus 3c minus 4b minus 2a plus 6b minus c minus a plus 3a minus 2c minus 3b. Now first take a, all the terms of a, group the like terms. So 5a minus 2a minus a plus 3a. Similarly collect all b terms, minus 8b, this is minus 8b minus 4b plus 6b minus 3b. ऐसे हम c की terms लेंगे. Okay, so I hope then you can collect it and then you will get the answer. I hope this is clear to you. Similarly, you can try remaining parts. Now the fifth question, subtract the first polynomial from the second polynomial. So see here, like this one, E part, 8p square plus 15p minus 1 and minus 5p plus 7p square plus 9. Subtract the first from the second. तो आप क्या लिखेंगे, minus 5p plus 7p square plus 9, then minus 8p square plus 15p minus 1. Now what to do, minus है before the bracket, so we have to change the sign. So the first one as it is, now it will be minus 8p square minus 15p plus 1. Now collect p square, 7p square minus 8p square, then minus 5p minus 15p, then plus 9 plus 1. So what will you get? Minus p square minus 20p plus 10. So this is the answer. Okay. So I hope this is clear to you. Now similarly, sixth question you can try on your own. Now here the seventh question, what must be subtracted from this to get this? इसमें से हम क्या माइनस करें कि ये रिजल्ट आ जाए? लाइक 10 में से हम क्या माइनस करें कि 3 आ जाए? तो आप क्या करेंगे? 10 minus 3. So what to do? This expression minus this. Okay. So 5a square minus 16ab minus 3b square minus 1 minus bracket 6a square minus 3ab minus 4b square plus 1. So now what to do? this expression as it is, no change in the sign, but here change the sign, minus 6a square plus 3ab plus 4b square minus 1. फिर आप collect कर लेंगे like terms and then you will get the answer. Similarly, you can try remaining questions. Now the next we are talking about multiplication of two monomials. Law of signs. The product of two numbers with like signs is positive, while the product of two numbers with unlike sign is negative. In the same manner, product of two monomials with like sign is positive and product of two monomials with unlike sign is negative. You know plus into plus is plus and plus into minus is minus and minus into minus is plus. So see, like plus x into plus y you will get plus xy, minus x minus y you will get plus xy, plus x minus y you will get minus xy, minus x into plus y you will get minus xy. So remember, while multiplying two or more variable, powers of like variables are added. Like a square into a cube, it would be a5. See how? A into a 2 times, a 3 times. Combine kar denge, we are getting a raised to the power 5 means a raised to the power 2 plus 3. So here now method to multiply two monomials, we follow the following steps. The first one, multiply the numerical coefficient of the monomials along with their signs and write the product. The second one, multiply the like variables, that is add the exponents of the like variables and write their product. And the third, multiply the two partial products obtained in step 1 and step 2 to obtain the final product. See here example 2, like multiply a part minus 8a square b square by minus 9ab. तो numbers यानी numerical coefficient को हम multiply कर देंगे minus 8 into minus 9 and a square b square into ab. So what will you get? Minus 8 into minus 9, that is 72, a square a cube, b square b cube. 72 a cube b cube, this is the answer. Now b part, pqr multiplied by minus 9 p cube q square r. So minus 9 as it is, p into p cube p4, q into q square q cube, r into r square. So this is the value. Now example 3, obtain the volume of a rectangular box with the following length, breadth and height respectively, AB, 2a square b and 2ab square. So length, breadth and height given, you know volume is L into B into H, इन तीनों को multiply कर देंगे, AB into 2a square b into 2ab square. So A into a square into a, that is A4, 2 into 2 4 as it is, okay. Then B into b square B4. So answer is 4a4 b4. Exercise 2 is based on such type of example. See question number 1, find the product of, like E part, 4x square y into 3xy square into minus 1xy. तो हम numbers को ले लेंगे 4 into 3, 12 into minus 1, that is minus 12. Now x raised to the power 2 plus 1 plus 1, 2 plus 1 plus 1, and y raised to the power 1 plus 2 plus 1. So what will you get? Minus 12 x4 y4. This is the answer, right? So I hope this is clear to you. Now see last part, L part, 15a cube minus 0.1 ab cube and 0.6 a square b. So minus 15 into 0.1 into 0.6. So a cube a square a5, then b cube b, it is b4. इन तीनों को मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे. सो व्हाट विल यू गेट? माइनस 15 इंटू 1/10 इंटू 6/10. 90/10 means minus 9 a5 b4. This is the answer. So very simple. Okay, you can try remaining parts. Now question number 2, simplify. This is also multiply. Like B part 7 by 9 p square QR into 5 p q square into minus 8 upon 105 r square. So what will you do? You will take numbers, so it would be negative minus 7 by 9 into 5 into 8 upon 105. Now p square p, it is p cube, q into q square, q cube, r into r square, r cube. Now cut the numbers, if we can cancel it. So now cut it by 7. So what we are getting? Minus 8 upon 27 p cube, q cube, r cube. So similarly like this you can try remaining parts. ऐसे third question है find the product. You can do third and fourth question. Now like here sixth question, find the area of a square whose side is 7z. So you know area of a square is side into side. So area is 7z into 7z, that is 49z square. Okay, now you can try remaining questions. Now the next is multiplication of a monomial with a binomial. For multiplying a monomial with a binomial, we use distributive property of multiplication over addition and subtraction. We have learned this property in our previous classes. So let us revise the rules. So now x into y plus z. So x into y plus x into z. X into y minus z, x into y minus x into z. Okay, now see some examples. Example 4, find the products A part 9xy into 5x square plus y. So 9xy into 5x square plus 9xy into y. So what will you get? 9 5s are 45, x cube y. Okay, plus 9x y square, right? So very simple, and but do it very carefully, right? Now B part 16p square into pq plus q. So 16p square into pq plus 16p square into q square. Okay, so now what will you get? 16p3q plus 16p square q square. Now the next C part here, 9a square b square bracket 5a square minus 6ab plus 4b square. Now we have here 3 terms, but no need to worry. We know very well by distributive law, 9a square b square into 5a square, then plus minus, it would be minus 9a square b square into 6ab, then plus 9a square b square into 4b square. So 9 5s are 45, a square, a 4, b square. Then minus 9 6s are 54, a cube, b cube, plus 36, a square, b 4, right? So I hope this is clear to you. The next is verification of the product of algebraic expression. अब हमें verify करना है, then how we can do it. To verify whether the product of 2 or 3 algebraic expression is correct or not, we may substitute some particular values of the variables in both, that is vectors and product. See, example 5, simplify a into a square plus a plus 1 plus 5 and find its value for a equal to minus 1. So what to do? इन्हें हम मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, a क्यूब प्लस a स्क्वायर प्लस a plus 5. Now we are getting a cube plus a square plus a plus 5. Now a को हम substitute कर देंगे -1. So -1 cube plus -1 square plus -1 plus 5. Now calculate it. So this is 4. So hence value of this for a equal to -1 is 4. So very simple and very interesting. Now exercise 3, based on such type of examples, see question number 1, find the product. Like here D part, y4 into x square minus y square. So what will you write? y4x square minus y4 into y square. So y4x square minus y6. This is the answer, right? Similarly, you can try second question. Now come to third question. Find the product of, like B part, 7ab square and minus 3a square b square plus 5ab square. So 7ab square into minus 3a square b square, then plus 7ab square into 5ab square. So what will you get? Minus 21 a cube b4 plus 35 a square b4. So this is the value. I hope this is clear to you. Now similarly, fourth question, simplify like b part 7x into x minus y square minus 5y into xy plus 2x minus xy into x plus y. So what to do? So you have to open the brackets. So 7x into x, 7x square minus 7x into y square, 7x y square. Okay, now second, minus 5y into xy minus 5x y square, then minus plus, be very careful about the signs, minus plus minus 10xy, then minus xy into x minus x square y, then minus xy into y minus xy square. Now combine like terms, you will get the answer. Okay, so similarly you can try remaining parts. The next we are talking about multiplication of a binomial with a binomial. See, let us recall how do we calculate 3 plus 2 into 7 minus 8. This product is obtained by using distributive property of multiplication over addition or subtraction. हम कैसे करेंगे? So now 3 plus 2 into 7 minus 8. So 3 plus 2 into 7 minus 3 plus 2 into 8. Now 3 into 7 plus 2 into 7 minus 3 into 8 minus 2 into 8. So we can calculate it. Answer is minus 5. If we have, we can do, or we can do like this, 3 into 7 minus, or how we can do it, 3 plus 2 into 7 minus 8, 3 into 7 minus 8 plus 2 into 7 minus 8, 3 into 7 minus 3 into 8 plus 2 into 7 minus 2 into 8, we can calculate it. So we notice answer is same. So same property is used for multiplication of two binomials. See example 6, multiply the binomials 2pq plus 3q square and 3pq minus 2q square. So what we can do? We can take 2pq, this bracket, we can write like this, 2pq into 3pq, then 2pq into minus 2q square, or we can do like this, 2pq into 3pq plus 3q square into 3pq, right? Then minus 2pq into 2q square and 3q square into minus 2q square. We can calculate it and then we can write the result. See exercise 4 based on such type of example. See like question number 1, find the product of like E part 3a minus 8 into 5b minus 1. So what you can write? So you can write 3a bracket 5b minus 1 minus 8 bracket 5b minus 1. So 3a into 5b, 15ab minus 3a, then minus 40b plus 8. So 15ab minus 3a minus 40b plus 8, all are unlike terms, so we cannot combine it, so leave it like this. Similarly you can try remaining parts. ऐसे हमारा क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 है, मल्टीप्लाई द फॉलोइंग बाइनोमियल्स एंड वेरीफाई द रिजल्ट फॉर द गिवन वैल्यू, यानी पहले मल्टीप्लाई करना है और फिर इन वैल्यूज को सब्स्टिट्यूट करना है. सी नाउ थर्ड क्वेश्चन, सिंप्लीफाई. सी हियर like C part x square plus y square bracket x square plus y square plus x square minus y square bracket x square plus y square. So what to do? Here first we have to multiply these two and multiply these two and then add. So how we can write it? We can write x square into x square plus y square plus y square into x square plus y square. Now plus x square into x square plus y square minus y square into x square plus y square. Now we can open the bracket, x4 plus x square y square plus y square x square plus y4 plus x4 plus x square y square minus x square y square minus y4. Now cancel the like terms, प्लस माइनस है अगर तो हम कैंसिल कर सकते हैं. Now you can combine it, so that would be the answer. So similarly you can try remaining parts. Now come to next, multiplication of a trinomial with a monomial or a binomial. So for multiplying a trinomial with a monomial or a binomial, we use distributive property again. See example 7, multiply a cube plus 3a square minus 5a by 4a square. तो हम क्या करेंगे, 4a square को इन तीनों टर्म से 1 by 1 मल्टीप्लाई. सो 4a square into a cube plus 4a square into 3a square, then minus 4a square into 5a. Now you will get this result. Similarly example 8, simplify x plus 5 bracket x square minus xy plus y square binomial with trinomial. So now binomial with trinomial. So x into x square, then minus x into xy, then plus x into y square. Now with the second term, plus y into x square minus y into xy plus y into y square. Now combine the terms, combine the powers. So we are getting x cube plus y cube, because minus x square y plus yx square cancelled, xy square minus xy square cancelled. So what is left? X cube plus y cube. Now example 9, multiply 2x square minus 5x plus 4 by x square plus 7x plus 8. इसे हम column method से भी कर सकते हैं. So how we can do it? So like this, here x square into 2x square, पहले x square को इन तीनों टर्म से मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे, we are getting this. फिर इसको हम 7x से मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे, we are getting this one. Okay, according to the powers, according to like terms, write one term below the other and then multiply by 8, we are getting this one. Then combine the terms, right? So I hope this is clear to you. Now exercise 5, based on such type of examples, see like question number 1, find each of the following product. Like here D part, a square plus ab plus b square into a minus b. So how we can write? We can write it. So how we can write it? We can write like this, a into a square plus ab plus b square minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. Now open the bracket, a cube plus a square b plus ab square minus a square b minus ab square minus b cube. So a square b minus a square b cancelled, plus ab square minus ab square cancelled. So what is answer? Answer is a cube minus b cube. Okay, so this is the answer of D part. ऐसे हम बाकी questions भी try कर सकते हैं. Very simple and very interesting. Now second question, multiply and verify the result for the given values. आपने multiply करना है और फिर values को substitute करना है. Now see third question. Now see third question, simplify, like a power x plus y into x plus y plus z minus x minus y into x minus y minus z, यानी पहले इन दोनों को मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे और फिर लास्ट के टू एक्सप्रेशंस को. सो सी हाउ टू डू, हाउ वी कैन राइट इट, x इंटू एक्स प्लस वाई प्लस जी प्लस वाई इंटू एक्स प्लस वाई प्लस जी, देन माइनस x इंटू एक्स माइनस वाई माइनस जी माइनस वाई इंटू एक्स माइनस वाई माइनस जी. तो आप इनको मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे, इनको मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे. बिफोर दिस वी हैव माइनस साइन, तो साइन चेंज कर देंगे टर्म्स का एंड देन कलेक्ट द लाइक टर्म्स, you will get the answer. So similarly you can try remaining parts. Now algebraic identities. An algebraic identity is a special kind of equation in which the left hand side and right hand side are equal for every value of the variable. The difference between an equation and an identity will become clear with the help of the table given below. So here equation given and identity given. So consider an equation 2x plus 5 equal to 13. In this equation left hand side and right hand side are equal only for x equal to 4, which is the solution of this equation. If x is not equal to 4, then 2x plus 5 is not equal to 13. So equation is true only for some values of the variables in it. Now we are talking about identity. Consider any identity like a plus b into a minus b. This is a square minus b square. Here left hand side and right hand side are equal for every value of a and b. For example, take a4 and b1, then what we are getting, a plus b, a minus b, 4 plus 1, 4 minus 1, yani 15. And right hand side a square minus b square, 4 square minus 1 square, that is 15. So an identity is true for every value of the variables in it. So there are 4 identities which are very useful in solving the problems of algebra based on constant and variable, like a part a plus b whole power 2a square plus 2ab plus b square. A plus b whole square yani a plus b 2 times multiply. You know very well how to multiply. A into a plus b into a plus b, open the brackets, a square plus ab plus ba plus b square. So a square plus b square plus 2ab. Now the next a minus b whole square, that is a square minus 2ab plus b square. It means a minus b into a minus b, yani a into a minus b into a minus b. So a into a minus a into b minus b into a plus b into b. So what will you get? A square plus b square minus 2ab. Now the c part, a plus b into a minus b. So that is a square minus b square. Now a into a minus b plus b into a minus b, a square minus ab plus ba minus b square. This is cancelled. So a square minus b square. Now the next is x plus a into x plus b. So here x square plus a plus b into x plus ab. So open it, x into x plus b plus a into x plus b. So what will you get? X square plus xb plus ax plus ab. So here x square plus xb plus ax plus ab. So you can take x common, b plus a, and here ab. So this is the answer. Okay. So now application of identities. Algebraic identities are used to solve the problems related to algebraic expressions easily. The use of these 4 identities can be illustrated by the following examples, like example 10. Find the following products using a suitable identity. A part a plus b by 2, a plus b by 2. So which identity? A plus b whole power 2. So a plus b by 2 whole square, yani a square plus b square plus 2ab. Okay. So a square b by 2 square becomes b square by 4, और 2ab क्या आएगा? 2a into b by 2, 2 cancel ab. So this is the answer. Now b part 3x minus 2a whole power 2. यहाँ पर हम लगा देंगे second identity a minus b whole square. So here a is 3x and b is 2a. So 3x square plus 2a square minus 2 into 3x into 2a. So 3x square is 9x square, 2a square is 4a square, and 2 into 3 into 2, that is 12xa, right? Now C part, p upon 5 minus q upon 2, p upon 5 plus q upon 2, third identity. So that is a minus b into a plus b, a square minus b square. Yani p upon 5 whole square minus q upon 2 whole square. So what would you get? Here p square upon 25 minus q square upon 4. Now example 11, using a suitable identity, evaluate. A part 107 into 93. So 107, 100 plus 7, and 93, 100 minus 7. A plus b, a minus b. So a square minus b square, 100 square minus 7 square. So 10,000 minus 49, that is 9,951. Now b part, 981 square minus 19 square. This becomes a square minus b square. We can write a plus b, a minus b. So it becomes 1000 into 962. So we are getting this answer. Now C part, 71 square means 70 plus 1 whole square. A plus b whole square. A square plus b square plus 2ab. A has 70, b have 1. So here 4900 plus 1 plus 140. Answer is 5041. Now D part, 99 square. 99 square means 100 minus 1 whole power 2. A हमारा बन गया 100 and B is 1. So 100 square plus 1 square minus 2ab. So what we are getting? 10,000 minus 200 plus 1. So 9,801. So very interesting and very easy. Now example 12, simplify A part, 15m plus 11n whole power 2 minus 15m minus 11n whole power 2. So here a plus b whole square and here a minus b whole square. Now open the bracket. So what we are getting? 15m square plus 2 into 15m into 11n plus 11n whole square, and here minus. Now solve it. A square plus b square minus 2ab. Okay, so what we are getting by simplifying? We are getting 660 mn. Okay, so now b part, minus x square y plus xy whole square plus 2x cube y square. तो हम इस ब्रैकेट को ओपन कर देंगे. a plus b whole power 2 यानी a square plus b square minus 2ab, and this term as it is. So what we are getting? ये और ये cancel हो जाएंगे. So we are getting x4 y2 plus x square y square. Now example 13, using the identity x plus a into x plus b equal to x square plus a plus b into x plus ab. Evaluate these, like a part 202 into 203. So 200 plus 2, 200 plus 3, right? Now what will you write? 200 square plus 2 plus 3 into 200 plus 2 into 3, because x is here 200, a is 2 and b is 3. Okay, so we are getting this number. Now b part, 102 into 95. So this is 100 plus 2 into 100 minus 5. So x is 100 and a is 2 and b is minus 5. So 100 square plus 2 plus minus 5 into 100 plus 2 into minus 5. Now we can calculate. This is 9600. Now exercise 6, based on such type of example like question number 1, using the identity a plus b whole power 2 a square plus 2ab plus b square, find the following products. So here, like f part, x upon 2 plus y upon 3 whole power 2. So what will you write? You will write x by 2 whole square plus 2ab, 2 into x by 2 into y by 3 plus b square, y by 3 whole square. Now calculate. X square by 4 plus 2 cancel, xy upon 3 plus y square upon 9. Okay, similarly you can try remaining parts. Now the second question, using the identity a minus b whole square, a square minus 2ab plus b square, find these products. Like E part, 3y minus 1 into 3y minus 1. So this is 3y minus 1 whole power 2. So what will you write? You will write 3y square minus 2 into 3y into 1 plus 1 square. So 9y square minus 6y plus 1. This is the answer. Similarly, you can try remaining parts. ऐसे third question है, using this identity a square minus b square, a plus b into a minus b, evaluate these products like e part p plus 1 by p into p minus 1 by p. So here what will you write? A is p, so p square minus 1 by p whole square, यानी p square minus 1 by p square. This is the answer. Similarly, you can try remaining parts. Now the fourth question, using the identity x plus a into x plus b equals to x square plus a plus b into x plus ab, find the following products. So like here f part ab plus a into ab plus b. So here x is ab, so what will you get? You will get ab square plus a plus b into ab plus a into b. Okay, so a square b square plus a square b plus ab square plus ab, right? So similarly, you can try remaining parts. Now question 5, evaluate the following using the identity x plus a into x plus b equals to x square plus a plus b into x plus ab. So हमें like b part 102 into 105. So what you can write? You can write 100 plus 2 into 100 plus 5. So here x is 100, a is 2 and b is 5. So 100 square plus 2 plus 5 into 100 plus 2 into 5. So what will you get? 10,000 plus 700 plus 10. So you can evaluate it. Okay, similarly you can try remaining parts. Now the sixth one, evaluate the following using a suitable identity. So you can try like b part 59 into 59. तो आप क्या लिख देंगे इसको? 60 minus 1 into 60 minus 1. So this becomes 60 minus 1 whole square. Now you can apply the identity. Similarly, you can try remaining parts. ऐसे seventh question है, you can try on your own. Now the next we are talking about factorization of algebraic expressions. We know that every number can be written as the product of prime numbers. For example, 12 is 2 into 2 into 3. 35 is 5 into 7. ऐसे 1000 है 2 into 2 into 2, 5 into 5 into 5. So these prime numbers are called the factors of these numbers. The way numbers can be written as the product of their factors, this method of writing factors is called factorization. Consider monomial 2xy, it can be written as 2 into x into y, thus 2x and y are the factors of 2xy. Now consider a binomial xy plus xz. This binomial can also be written as x into y plus z. So here x and y plus z are the factors of this binomial. So common factors of monomial, as the name suggests, common factors of monomials are those factors which occur in all the given monomials. For example, consider the monomials 15xy square and 10x square y. So here what you can take, like you can take also 15ab square and 10a square b. तो इन्हें हम ब्रेक कर देंगे 3 into 5 into a into b into b and 2 into 5 into a into a into b. So the factors which are common, जो दोनों में common है, common factors are 5a and b. So 5ab is the common factor of these two. Now factorization by taking out common factors. To take out the common factor from the terms of given binomial, we use the distributive law. So a into b plus a into c. So a common, b plus c. Similarly, a into b plus a into c plus a into d, a common, b plus c plus d and so on. Now example 14, factorize the following binomials. A part 5x plus 6xy. अब इनमें common क्या है? x. So take x common. So 5 plus 6y. So these are two factors, x and 5 plus 6xy. Now take b part 15x स्क्वायर वाई क्यूब माइनस 12x क्यूब वाई, 15 और 12 में कॉमन क्या है 3, सो हेयर x स्क्वायर x क्यूब कॉमन इज x स्क्वायर, y cube y common is y. So what will you take? You will take 3x square y common, and what is left here? 5y square minus 4x. Okay, so two factors. These are the factors. Now example 15. Find the factors of the following polynomials. A part 3x square y plus 6x y square plus 12x square y square. So 3, 6 and 12 में common क्या है 3, all are divisible by 3, so 3 is the common factor. x square है, x है, x square है, so x is common. y है, y square, so y is common. So 3xy हम common ले लेंगे. What is left? x plus 2y plus 4xy, right? So factors ये आ जाएंगे. ऐसे b पार्ट है 5x क्यूब माइनस 4x4 प्लस 3x क्यूब माइनस 2x स्क्वायर. अब इनमें 5, 4, 3, 2, no number is common. So here x cube, x4, x cube, x square. So x square is common. So what is left? 5x minus 4x square plus 3x minus 2, right? So like this we can do factorization. Now the next is factorization by regrouping terms. This method is very useful in a situation when there is no common factor between the terms of the polynomial. In this method we divide the terms of a polynomial into groups and then take out the common factor from each group. For example, consider this polynomial ab plus b plus 2a plus 2. अब इन 4 टर्म्स में कुछ भी कॉमन नहीं है, तो हमने क्या किया, ग्रुपिंग कर दी, यानी फर्स्ट 2 टर्म्स एंड लास्ट 2 टर्म्स. ओके, नाउ व्हाट टू डू. अब हम देखेंगे फर्स्ट 2 टर्म में एनीथिंग इज कॉमन, यस b इज कॉमन, सो व्हाट इज लेफ्ट a plus 1, एंड लास्ट 2 टर्म में 2 इज कॉमन, सो प्लस 2, हेयर व्हाट इज लेफ्ट a plus 1. अब इन दोनों में क्या कॉमन आ गया, a plus 1, so a plus 1 कॉमन ले लेंगे एंड b plus 2. So like this is the factorization. So in the last step we took out a common binomial instead of a monomial. This turns the given polynomial into product of 2 factors. So this method is the method of regrouping terms. See example 16. Factorize 2xy plus 6x plus y plus 3. Here the first and third term have a common factor y and second and fourth term have a common factor 3. तो हम regrouping ऐसे कर देंगे 2xy plus y plus 6x plus 3. इन दोनों में y common, 2x plus 1, इन दोनों में 3 common, 2x plus 1. So what is left? Y plus 3 and 2x plus 1. Now alternate method we can also take out the common factor 2x from first and second. हम ऐसे भी grouping कर सकते हैं first 2 and last 2. First 2 में 2x common, so y plus 3, and last 2 में nothing common means plus 1 common, so y plus 3. Now y plus 3 common, 2x plus 1. So note that irrespective of the method used, the factors of the given polynomial remain the same. आप जो मर्जी method use करें, factors would be same. Now factorization using algebraic identities. We have studied 4 algebraic identities. All of these are used for factorizing some kind of algebraic expression. Let us consider some examples which show the utility of algebraic identities in factorization. Like example 17. Factorize the following using a suitable identity. Like a part 4a square plus 12a plus 9. आप देख सकते हो 4a square is the square of 2a, so 2a whole square. 9 is the square of 3, so 3 square. And the middle term is 2ab, so 2 into 2a into 3. This is becoming 12a only. So yes, we can write 2a plus 3 whole square. यानी 2a plus 3, 2a plus 3. ये दो factors आ जाएंगे इस given expression के. Now b part x square upon 4 minus xy plus y square. So x square by 4 is x by 2 whole square, y square, and middle term is minus 2 into x by 2 into y. So we are getting minus xy only. So yes, we can write x upon 2 minus y whole square, यानी x upon 2 minus y into x upon 2 minus y. The next is 16x square minus 25. 16x square means 4x whole square minus 5 square. So a square minus b square. So 4x plus 5, 4x minus 5. Now example 18, factorize the following algebraic expressions. A part x4 minus 9y4. So x4 means x square whole square and 9y4 means 3y square whole square. Now this becomes a square minus b square. So what will you get? X square plus 3y square, x square minus 3y square. Now b part, m4 minus m square minus 2n square whole square. So m4 is the square of m square and this is already given square. Okay, so now this is a, this is b. So a plus b, a minus b. इन दोनों को ऐड करेंगे, m square plus m square minus 2n square and m square minus bracket m square minus 2n square. Now simplify, 2m square minus 2n square, इसको simplify करेंगे, we are getting 2n square. Now you can take 2 common, so m square minus n square into 2n square, 2 into 2 4. So now we can break it, m minus n into m plus n, right? Now c part, 3x cube plus 6x square y plus 3y square x. So first you can take 3x common, x square plus 2xy plus y square left in the bracket, and this is what? This is x plus y whole square. So 3x into x plus y into x plus y. Now example 19, factorize a part, a square plus 6a plus 5. So a square here, you know a square is square of a, but there is no other perfect square. So this is not the form of a square plus 2ab plus b square. Okay, तो अब हम क्या करेंगे? Here we will use the identity x plus a into x plus b, यानी x square plus a plus b into x plus ab. यानी हमारे पास इसमें sum क्या है? 6 and product क्या है? 5. So here ab equal to 5. Therefore the only possibility is a equals to 1 and b equal to 5. And you know a plus b, that is also 6. तो हम ब्रेक कर देंगे मिडल टर्म को, यानी 6a को हम लिख देंगे 1 plus 5 into a. Okay, so now it becomes a plus 1 into a plus 5. Okay, now b part, the given expression is y square minus y minus 12. Again this is not of any form, a square plus 2ab plus b square. तो हम क्या करेंगे? x plus a और x plus b वाला same. So here product is minus 12 and sum is minus 1. So now we are taking a minus 4 and b is 3. यानी मिडिल टर्म को हमने ब्रेक कर दिया, minus 4 plus 3. Okay, so it becomes y minus 4 into y plus 3, right? So very simple. Now exercise 7, the first one, find the common factors of the following terms. Like b part, 5a cube minus 25a square and 50a. So what is common? Common is 5a, right? Now the second, find the factors of the following polynomials. Like here 77a square minus 33b square. So 77 and 33 11 से divisible है, so 11 common. So 7a square minus 3b square. So these are the factors. ऐसे आप बाकी parts try करेंगे. The third one, factorize the following polynomials by regrouping the terms. Like b part, 10ab plus 5a plus 2b plus 1. इन दोनों को arrange करेंगे group में. So here what is common? 5a common. So 2b plus 1. And last two में 1 is common, so 2b plus 1. Now take 2b plus 1 common and we are left with 5a plus 1. So this is the factorization. Similarly, you can try remaining parts. The fourth one, factorize the following using a suitable identity. Like c part, 16p square plus 40p cube plus 25q square. So here 16p square means 4p whole square plus 5q whole square, and middle term is 2 into 4p into 5q, that is 2 4s are 8, 5s are 40pq. So yes, it becomes 4p plus 5q whole square. Similarly, you can try remaining parts. The fifth one, factorize the following algebraic expressions. Like here E part A4 minus B minus C4. So A4 means A square whole square minus B minus C whole square whole square. So now A is A square, so A square plus B minus C, then A square minus B minus C whole square. Now we can open it, simplify it, you will get the answer. Okay, similarly sixth question, factorize the following. Like B part A square plus 2A minus 15. So this is not A plus B whole square, this is not A minus B whole square. So here what to do? We can break the middle term. You see product is minus 15 and sum is 2. So how we can write? We can write A square plus 5 minus 3 into A minus 15. So A square plus 5A minus 3A minus 15. So what we are getting? We are getting A plus 5 into A minus 3. Right? So I hope these are clear to you. Now the next is division of algebraic expressions. We have already learned the method of finding factors and common factors of monomials. For example, A part the factors of 3y square, 3y and y, and B part the factors of 15x y square z, 3, 5x y and z, and C part the common factors of 2x and 6x are 2 and x or 2x, and D part the common factor of 32a cube b square and 4ab square is 4ab square, etc. We will use the method of factorization for the division of polynomials. Let us start with division of a monomial by a monomial. So division of a monomial by another monomial. To divide a monomial by another monomial, we write them in the form of a fraction p by q, then write their factors and finally cancel the common factors of both monomials. See 14xy square z by 2xyz, इन दोनों को divide करें. So what will you get? You can cancel common factors like 2 cancel, x cancel, y cancel, z cancel. So answer is 7y. ऐसी example 20 है, divide 32x cube y square by 20x y square. So 32x cube y square upon 20x y square. So 32 and 20 आप इनको break भी कर सकते हैं like this. So now 2 cancel, 2 cancel. So what is left? 8 upon 5 x square. Very simple. Now division of a polynomial by a monomial. To divide a polynomial by a monomial, there are two methods. Method 1, write the given expression in the form of a fraction, polynomial upon monomial. Then write each term of the polynomial separately with the monomial and divide them as we divide two monomials. See here, for example, 15xy square plus 20x cube y cube minus 5x square y square divided by 5xy. तो हम इसकी हर एक टर्म को 5xy से डिवाइड कर देंगे. Like this we can write it. Now cancel the terms. We are getting 3y plus 4x square y square minus xy. Okay, so this is the answer. हम y common ले सकते हैं. This is the answer. Now method 2, write the factors of all the terms of a polynomial. Take out the common factors from all the terms and then cancel them if possible with the factors of the given monomial. For example, consider 15xy square plus 20x cube y cube minus 5x square y square divided by 5xy. So what to do? So first of all हम क्या करेंगे? Polynomial के common factors find करेंगे like this. We are getting in the bracket this one और नीचे monomial as it is. Now cut it. So this is the answer. Now example 21, divide 6 into this by 3xyz. So what to do? हम क्या करेंगे? Cancel कर दिया 3 and 6 को. We are getting 2 over here. Now what we can do? Separately divide कर सकते हैं. So we are getting 2x cube yz upon xyz minus 2x square y square z upon xyz, then plus 2xy square z cube upon xyz. Now cut the numbers, cut the factors. So we are getting 2 into x square minus xy plus yz square. Now division of a polynomial by another polynomial. To divide two polynomials, we write the factors of both the polynomials and then cancel their common factors. See example 22. Divide m square plus 4m plus 3 by m plus 1. So what to do? हम क्या करेंगे, पहले m square plus 4m plus 3 को फैक्टराइज कर देंगे. So we are getting m plus 3 into m plus 1. अब m plus 1 नीचे है, this is cancelled, answer is m plus 3. Now b part here, a8 minus b8 यानी a4 whole power 2 minus b4 whole power 2, इसको हम फैक्टराइज करेंगे. a4 plus b4, a4 minus b4. अब a4 minus b4 को हम फर्दर फैक्टराइज कर सकते हैं. वी आर गेटिंग a square plus b square into a square minus b square. Now you can cancel the terms. So answer is this one, right? Now exercise 8, based on such type of examples you can try. Like first question, divide the following monomials. Like b part, 8a cube by 2a. So 8a cube upon 2a. So 4a square is the answer. Similarly, you can try remaining parts. Now second question, divide the following. Now b part, 9m5 plus 12m4 minus 6m square divided by 3m square. So what will you write? 9m5 plus 12m4 minus 6m square divided by 3m square. So you can take common is 3m square. So here 3m cube plus 4m square minus 2, and here 3m square. So this is cancelled. So this is the answer. Similarly, you can try remaining parts. ऐसे third question है हमारे पास. Like divide b part x4 plus 4x plus 4 by x plus 2. So you know this is x square plus 4x plus 4. This is x plus 2 whole square. Divide by x plus 2. So this is cancelled. Answer is x plus 2. Similarly, you can try remaining parts. So very easy. Now this is the time of mental maths. Question number 1, filling the blanks. Like a part, 7x square into 10. So 70x square. C part, minus 2x cube into 4p minus 8x cube p. Similarly, you can try remaining statements. ऐसे second question है true or false. A part, product of two monomials is always a monomial. Yes. So here C part, every constant is a monomial. Yes, one term. Similarly, you can try remaining parts. I hope these are clear to you. So thank you for watching this video. Stay connected with us till the next video. Have a nice day and take care.